Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about special keys in computer basics. Alt 0128 is an euro currency symbol. I will show this in C programming language. First, initially I am taking header file slash include sty.h for header file and in this header file, all the print functions and for loop are inbuilt in the C language. I am showing in this program. Int main function and initially I am taking I value and using for loop I am calling all the character variables I equal to 0 and I less than or equal to 255. I am calling 0 to 255 character values. Increment I plus plus. Print. I am using printf. I am printing the all the character variables in I value. For printing character percentage %C and percentage %D for character value. Slash n for new line and close the parenthesis and I comma I for character and I for integer. Close the parenthesis and return value semicolon and close the parenthesis and I want to compile this program. Successfully compiled. No, is there an error? Not I plus plus, just I. And again I am compiling. Successfully compiled, built and execute. This is this output. All the special symbols with values.